And now when there's enough pressure in the cylinder, there's 500 bars, we can see 41.29. Now it's starting to inflate, and the overall length of the cylinder, unfortunately I don't have a calipers big enough, so it's just on a ruler. On a ruler it's roughly 1.5 millimeters longer. So the pipe passes this test. At least it didn't buckle or anything. Now I'm going to relieve the pressure, and then I'm going to take new measurements when back to zero. I'll leave some residual pressure in there. Took my helmet off and the face mask. Sorry about the camera waving around. Slightly nervous. And let's see what the final results are. And we're back to the 41.24. $41.23. It's depending slightly where you measure it. 41.23. So we're back where we started, roughly within 100th of a millimeter. So it seems the pipe passed the test. Let's take the ruler. This is very crude. This is very crude because I don't have a long enough calipers. Oh, this is difficult with one hand. This is very difficult. Oh my god. Yeah, we're back when 917. So the tube is in its original shape. But yeah, I'm happy with the results. I deem this tube safe to use on 300 bar working pressure. The design pressure, as I told in the beginning, is 900 bar. It should hold 900 bars before rupturing, and the thread engagement is good enough, so it'll hold that. But yeah, that's it for today. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and you all stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.